Hello guys, yeah, I know, it's been a while. So welcome to my first video of 2021, everyone. Hey, welcome, how are you doing? So just so you know, I've been planning a rather huge upcoming video, which is taking some time to do. And for the purpose of this upcoming video, I even made another program. But ironically, I even fucked it up to record my own audio, so I had to voice over the whole thing. Yeah, guess who's having to sit through 54 minutes of his own footage because he was incapable of recording his audio in the first place? That's right. Alright, so have fun with the video and see you next time. So today's mission is to make a program which can simulate a typewriter animation. Basically the program should write a predefined text into an empty editor. Therefore we need a program which can send key presses according to a preset text. So let's start up Notepad first. We're going to make a new file and save this new file, which will contain the text. And there's our first problem, because I can't really seem to type into this field right here. Let me try again. Okay, click here, and I literally can't write. Okay, try again. Actually, I forgot about it. Let's use a different editor. Hooray, so the first step is done. Let's continue. Hey look, I can actually type now. So this file is going to contain the actual code that we're going to be programming today. We also need some code which is going to be written into that file, so let's just take something from here. So let's save this to a new text file, so the other program that we're going to be coding today can read this file and then send out its contents. Okay, so let's get started. Actually, I don't know how to send key presses in Python, so let's have a look online, shall we? Okay, Stack Overflow, here we go. This person in the comments suggests that with this solution with PyWin32, we don't need to install additional packages. So let's try out using this packageless solution. Of course it doesn't work. What did I even expect? Just for good measure, let's try again in a different terminal. Maybe it works here. And of course it doesn't. Let's see if maybe PyAutoGUI is already somehow magically installed on this machine. Of course not. Okay, so let's try installing these packages. Oh my god, it did work! Guys, look, I tried installing GeoTIFF before and it didn't work, and I tried installing like raster.io and even NumPy. It just didn't work, because the thing with Python 3.8.1 and wheels is just that it didn't work. Okay, let's try it out. Import PyAutoGUI. Let's try sending a key press. Okay, how does the sleep function work in Python again? Is it sleep or await? No, wait, is it delay maybe? Because I don't want the button to be pressed instantly. Okay, let's have a look online. Oh wait, do you have to import time? Oh yes, of course. You do have to import time. How could I forget? Let's try out the sleep function. Yes, it works. Okay, how do we do function definitions in Python again? Okay, so first sleep for 3 seconds and then send a key press. Let's try sending the string ABC. Maybe that works. Okay, get the notepad ready and call the function. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I should have type before, after ending the definition. Oh wait, turns out type is a keyword and I can't use that one. Okay, let's try again. New definition. Let's try pressing the string ABC and trying the function out. So let's see what happens. It's waiting 3 seconds and then we get, I guess, nothing? Yeah, nothing. Wow. Okay, let's try redefining the function and then only sending the letter A instead of the string ABC. Maybe that works. Okay, ready. Let's call the function. It gives us 3 seconds of time and then it actually sends an A. Oh my god, that's like amazing. Okay, enough with the cynicism. Let's go ahead. Okay, so we do need to import time. We also need to import PyAutoGUI, as we just realized. Actually, let's be really fancy and make an exception for this. Okay, so we do need to open the file which we are going to be reading, but I think I forgot how to open files in Python again. But we should be okay opening the file with the R flag for reading. Now we just need to find a way how to read every character at once from the file. So according to this very well built website, it just seems a little shady to me. So look at this. Oh wait, come on. Apparently after we open it, we can just use this while loop with the break to read each character. So let's try it out. So I'm just giving myself here like 5 seconds before the program starts, so don't be spamming key presses all over the place after I just started the program. So I want to have a little delay between each key press. so it doesn't go too fast. So let's go ahead and run the program. Alright, this content is going to be written. Now open a file where we're going to write it into. Ready? Let's go. Okay, an error message. Oh yeah, of course, the variable names can start with a number, so we're gonna fix that. Oh, there's another mistake. I wrote file instead of the actual name, but whatever. Okay, try again. Okay, another error. Oh yeah, of course, I forgot the .txt extension. See, here. Okay, let's go. The delay doesn't work, but it does send the key process. Wow, that's like amazing. It works. It actually works. Okay, there's one strange bug that I see right here. So the hashtags don't get printed as hashtags, they get printed as these strange kind of quotation marks. Oh, now the delay actually works, so it gives us 5 seconds of time. But also it's way too slow, so I'm giving it just a quarter of the delay time. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1, and go. What does it look like? It looks pretty good so far. So the program types at a reasonable speed, still a bit too slow to show it to somebody, but the strange bug still persists. The new line wasn't started for this the new line wasn't copied over. Oh boy, we're in for a lot of debugging today. Maybe the line ending just isn't right, so I'm gonna try it in a different format. Maybe then Python will be able to read it. Let's try again. Alright, here we go again. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And the bug still persists with the hashtags. We're gonna get to that later. But does the new line bug finally work? Or better yet, is it gone? It doesn't seem like it's gone. It's still typing in the same line instead of the next line. Okay, let's get into debugging. Let's see if we can detect when we have a new line, so that we can eliminate this new line bug, which is at the moment a bit more stressful than the other one. So let's so now we're explicitly sending a return key when we detect a new line. Turns out to be still not working. There should be a new line here, but it's just not appearing. Let's first try scanning for those hashtags and see if we can actually recognize them. So right now I'm just replacing the hashtags with the number 5, and let's see if that works. Delete the old stuff and see what happens. Can you see it? The first hashtag and also, yeah, here we go, the next hashtags get replaced with the number 5, so Python does actually recognize the hashtags. Okay, let me just do a quick Google search about this. Maybe somebody else has already had this issue before me. Oh, look at this. So it's keyboard dependent apparently. Or maybe I could just use this library right here, which is called keyboard. And of course we have to install it. Or do we? Maybe it's already here? No, it's not. Okay. Okay, so let's try installing it. Wish me luck, guys. What? It worked? Oh my god. Oh, it works. Did you see? It printed a hashtag in the correct way. Wow, that's amazing. So let's rewrite our whole program to not use PyAutoGUI, but keyboard instead. So let's try it out. Let's go. Start the program, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens, and what is happening? Oh my god, look at this. Okay, that was way too fast. Notepad++ actually started lagging. Okay, the text looks amazing, looks very good, but maybe just a bit too fast. And there's also this new line error once again, because why wouldn't it be here? Of course. Turns out keyboard is way faster than PyAutoGUI anyways. Let's try again. 2, 1, and let's see what happens. And yeah, it looks like a pretty good typing animation. And you know what's the best? The hashtags even work. They get printed the right way. And look at this. Oh my god, no, stop. I don't want to write here. Come on, stop. Alright. Okay, delete this here. Okay, I can't really seem to find the issue with this right now. And it happens randomly. So I cannot really backtrack it for now. So I'm actually pretty happy with this output actually, and I think I'm gonna leave it like this. This is a somewhat bigger excerpt of code, and it seems to print really well. Oh wait, there's something. Something is not right. Notice those indentations? I didn't have them in my original code. So where did they come from? Look, they haven't been here before. Oh, look at this, did you see that? I wrote a piece of... Okay, wait, I have an idea where the error might come from. Let's try a different editor once again. Go into here, 2, 1, go. Let's see what happens. Excitement is rising, and let's see what happens. It prints the lines perfectly, as they are supposed to be. So the thing that happened was that Notepad++ actually indented the next line. after indentation, but the program that I wrote sends out this tab or those 4 spaces again. Let's clean up the program a little bit, update the instructions, and we're done.